Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily download or install XAMPP for Windows 11 or 10. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head toward any one of the web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. At the top in the search box, simply type XAMPP download. After that, you will see the official website at the top. Simply click on it and you will see three types of download version of this application. Choose any one which is suitable for your device. And shortly at the top right corner, you will see that the zip file is being downloaded. Shortly, depending upon your Wi-Fi connectivity, you will see that the file has been downloaded. Once downloaded, double click on it and now the .exe file setup of XAMPP will be downloaded. After that, it requires the permission to run in your device. Click on yes. And now, as you can see, XAMPP has been downloaded on your device. So that's it. That is how easily you can download XAMPP on your Windows 11 or 10. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.